Improve heating, cooling efficiency. Car air filter is designed to filter your incoming air using state-of-the-art filtration technology, protecting your vehicle's occupants, interior, and HVAC system from impurities. Breathe clean air. Air cabin filter is electrostatically charged. Helps control odors. Dirty disposable cabin filters can cause a musty smell in your car's interior. K&N Cabin Air Filters are specially treated to help capture contaminants that cause odors. Save money. Washable and resuable in-cabin air filter is engineered to last for the life of your vehicle. Easy to install. Pre-treated car cabin air filter is ready to drop into your factory airbox. Typically installs in less than 5 minutes with no tools required. Eco-friendly. Using a washable, reusable product reduces landfill waste from disposable filters. More than 100 million disposable air filters end up in landfills each year. No hassle warranty. 10-year, million-mile limited warranty. K&N's line of washable replacement cabin air filters are designed to filter your incoming air using state-of-the-art filtration technology, protecting your vehicle's occupants, interior, and HVAC system from pollutants and unpleasant odors. Engineered to be washable, reusable, and durable, this cabin filter is designed to last for the entire lifespan of your vehicle. Vehicle fitment. 2019-2022, Mazda 3, 2020-2022 Mazda CX-30. Top reviews from the United States. Fits Gen 4 Mazda 3 Turbo and Non-Turbo. Easy install. No real difference noted on my Turbo, but will save me $1 on replacements. Dealer actually recommended it too.